Hello everyone. In my today's video, I will be explaining aggregate functions in SQL with group by clause and having clause. I will be executing some of the queries where I will be using group by clause and having clause. I will be executing these three queries in MySQL. If you will see in the first query, find average salary in each department. So whenever each word comes in the query, we have to use group by clause. And if any of the condition is mentioned in the query, like average salary of all instructor is more than 40,000 or greater than 50,000, likewise, then we have to use having clause. So wherever we use group by clause in the query and if condition is specified, we have to use having clause. Group by clause and having clause both are used together. And generally group by clause and having clause are used with aggregate functions. So friends, in my video, I will be executing these three queries one by one. And these queries I will be executing in MySQL. So the first query is find average salary in each department. So we are considering we have instructor table. I will show you SQL prompt. I have university database. I have created it already. I will be using that university database. Database is changed. I have instructor table. So here you can see in the instructor table 4 attributes are there: ID, name, salary and DEPT name. In my last video, I have executed all aggregate functions on the same table, instructor table. You can see it. For better understanding, you can refer my that video also where I have executed all aggregate functions. So the first query is find average salary in each department. Each word has come, so we will be using group by clause and we have to retrieve the information like average salary. Okay, so how will I execute this query? Select AVG. AVG is my aggregate function. Select AVG salary, comma department name. Department wise, we have to find out average salary from instructor group by department name. So here you can see from the main table, instructor table, group by department name. So biology is one group, computer is another group, physics is another group, music is another group. Likewise, different groups will be created and accordingly average salary will be calculated. So this is my query in which I have shown you how to execute group by clause. Okay, this is our first query. The second query is find average salary in each department. The same query, the first query, where now here condition is specified where average salary of all instructor is more than 40,000. So where we cannot use where clause in group by clause. So here we have to use having clause. Having clause will come into picture. How to execute this query I will show you. We will see the same statement. Select AVG salary, then department name, from instructor group by department name. Now the condition is what? Where average salary is greater than 40,000, but we cannot use where, so we have to use having clause. Having AVG salary is greater than 40,000. So my query will be executed. So here, okay, I forgot to mention semicolon, so it has been only department name has been displayed. So I will execute the same query with semicolon. from instructor, group by department, average salary department name, then from instructor, group by department name, and having condition. So here friends, you can see average salary with department name displayed where average salary is greater than 40,000. So only that records are displayed wherever the average salary is greater than 40,000. So all records are there where average salary is greater than 40,000. This is our second query. Now I will execute third query. Find the number of instructors with department name in each department. How many instructors are working in each department, that we have to show. So how will we execute it? Whenever it is asked number of instructors, so we have to use a count aggregate function. So I will execute this query like this. Select count into bracket id select count id department name, because department wise we have to give the count, from instructor, group by department name, so here you can see how many employees are working in that department. If I execute select star from instructor, so you can see here the query like this. Biology in 2. So we have 2 employees that are working in biology department 2. Then computer 4. Computer 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then history 1. History 1. Music 2. 1, 2. And physics 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. So here with the help of aggregate functions, group by clause and having clause, we have executed our these 3 queries. Hope you must have understood these 3 queries using group by clause and having clause. In my next video, I will be explaining more complicated queries using group by clause and having clause. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it. Thank you so much.